Does your class look too much like this and not enough like this? Are you getting too many of these looks every day? Well, the answer to these questions lie within Culture Responsive Teaching in the Brain by Zaretta Hammond. Over the course of this book, Zaretta Hammond will teach you how to maximize the potential for all of your students. She will teach you the differences in culture and how these cultural differences can affect student learning. She will teach you what hinders students from learning, possible blocks you have in your classroom that are preventing your students from maximizing their potential. She will teach you how to build a learning partnership with your students, and she will focus on shifting the academic mindset in your class. She does this by providing the Ready for Rigor framework. So there are 4 separate parts of the Ready for Rigor framework. Awareness, which is being aware of the cultures in your room and how you respond to those cultures. Creating a learning partnership, which means you and your student are a partnership on this educational path they're going through, instead of you just facilitating them information. And also, she'll teach you information processing. This has to do a lot with the actual functions of our brain and the community of learners and a learning environment, which maximizes students' comfort in your class, which will allow them to reach their full potential. If you feel like these are things that you could use in your classroom, then go ahead, buy Culture Responsive Teaching in the Brain by Zaretta Hammond.